Okay, please go to lesson 1.2c, ratios, rates, and proportions. It is in Desmos. So in slide 1, it talks about a proportion. The definition of a proportion is an equation that shows that two ratios are equal to each other. So for example, 5 children to 12 people is equivalent to 10 children to 24 people. So this is an example of a proportion. Both of these ratios are exactly the same. So if you multiply 12 times 2, you get 24. And if you multiply 5 times 2, you get 10. So 5 children to 12 people is equivalent to 10 children to 24 people. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. $12 to 1 hour is equivalent to $48 to how many hours? So if you multiply 12 times what is going to be 48. So 12 times 4 is 48. So if you multiply 1 times 4, that's going to give us 4. So this would be $48 for 4 hours. So $12 for 1 hour is equivalent to $48 for 4 hours. So you can type that in your text box. Okay, slide 3. 10 cakes to 3 cups of chocolate is equivalent to how many cakes to 12 cups of chocolate? So what do you multiply 3 by to get 12? 3 times 4 is 12. So then if you multiply the numerator, 10 times 4, that would give us 4. Or actually not 4, 40. 10 times 4 is 40. So I'm going to adjust that. So you would get 40 cakes to 12 cups of chocolate. So type that in. Okay, slide 4. So 4 cans of paint to 280 square feet equals how many cans of paint to 70 square feet? So here our ratio went down. So what do you divide 280 by to get 70? 280 divided by 4 is 70. So then divide the numerator by 4. 4 divided by 4 would be 1 can. So 1 can paint to 70 square feet. Okay, slide 5. 120 miles to 6 hours is equivalent to 20 miles to how many hours? So what do you divide 120 by to get 20? That would be 6. So 6 divided by 6 would be 1. So it's 20 miles to 1 hour. Okay, slide 6. So for this problem, you want to write a proportion to represent the situation, then solve, show your work in your notebook. So take out your notebook for math, and you're going to be solving these problems in your notebook. So Carl will be traveling to Fiji, where the unit of currency is called the Fijian dollar. Currently, $1 in the US is equivalent to 2 Fijian dollars. If Kara has 150 US dollars to spend on her vacation, how many Fijian dollars will she have to spend? So for slides 6 through 13, I want you to go to the next video to watch how we solve these problems. So stop this video and continue in the following video.